right, my friends, welcome back once more to my NTG video. So the title of this video says not looking good, and yes, it is not looking good at all in NTG. So it has been a long time that we've had any movement in NTG. We have been hoping that they were going to restore the system, they were going to restore the platform to its original position, how we used to earn and withdraw in NTG. But since February, after they had that issue in February till now, they've not been able to come back as usual, okay, as normal, what we used to have. The experience has been different, okay. So many people that are in NTG with me, they are not happy, myself included. I am not happy with what is going on because we have money in NTG that we cannot take out, okay, and everything regarding the cashback, regarding the advertising, and everything has stopped. The only thing that is happening now is we are able to even have access to the back office, right? So it's not looking good at all to NTG as a company, and of course to us as members. So these are my recommendations for everybody that is in NTG with me. If you are not in my team, if I'm not your upline, if I'm not your sponsor, this could be a way for you to get, information and then what you have to do next. So you will notice that I have done 6 bullet pointed recommendations here. And I said, number 1, expect the worst case scenario, which is rug pulled. I believe that they have rug pulled. I may be wrong, but I believe that they have rug pulled, because since February, they've been promising that they were working on the system. Till now, nothing has improved. Okay, if you watch my video, the last video before this one, I did mention in that video that it has been 3 weeks that the robot has not worked. Okay, so now we are here. We don't know what is happening. And as I said, these are my recommendations. So for those who have made back their initial deposit or some money back from NTG, well done and congrats. For those who have not made any money back, it means we have lost our money with the way things are looking just now. Don't let this change your quest for money, especially via online investment, staking, trading, affiliate marketing, etc. Okay, there are many ways to make money online, so don't let this deter you from that. Move on and accept the loss, as we already know that there is no guarantee for anything. Okay, anybody giving you guarantee for anything online, the person is not telling you the truth. This is me telling you the truth, as I have always been telling you the truth. There is nothing guaranteed in any online business. Things can change rapidly. Okay, we win some, as we all know, and we lose some. Unfortunately, NTG appears to be one of those platforms that we have lost, even though the business model looked great when it was working. Okay, when it was working fine, it looked great, everything looks okay, checks out okay, but now nothing is working. So what do you do next in this instance? My recommendation again is log into your NTG account from time to time, because they may just come back without informing anyone. Keep in touch with your upline just in case if there is any new development. Explore other paying platforms and get yourself into 1 or 2, but remember that nothing is guaranteed. There will always be a risk of either winning or losing. Okay, any platform you want to join, whether you are joining with me or you are joining with somebody else, there is no guarantee. If the person is giving you guarantee, the person is lying to you. That is how it works in this space. right? So guys, that is me. As I said in my previous video for NTG, I did mention in that video that I will try my best to organize a Zoom for my team members to come and ask me questions personally regarding NTG. Otherwise, these two videos that I have done, this one and the previous one before this, they should just be okay for you to know what is happening, because if you come to my Zoom, it is the same thing I want to tell you anyway. The only difference is if you come to my Zoom, you will be able to ask me your question directly, right? However, there is a comment section in this video. If you have a question, drop the question in the comment section, and trust me, within 24 hours, I will respond to that your comment. And if there is any question that I have an answer for, I will be able to give you answer for it. Otherwise, that is it. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you in my next video. May not be NTG video, maybe other videos for other platforms that we are involved in that are paying as we speak. Right? Thank you. God bless.